Today I'm going to show you how to set and change your status in Slack. Alright, so setting your status is really simple on Slack. On the left hand side, go and look for your profile picture, tap on that. Right over here, you'll see it says my name and then it says active. That is my status. Now you can set yourself as away, you can pause notifications for a set amount of time, or you can go into this bar over here, click on this, it'll open up this status window. Here you can change your status manually. You can also use one of these pre-made statuses, so in a meeting, for 1 hour, commuting, out sick, vacation, and then working remotely. Also, you can have these automatic updates. So in a meeting, it is based on your Google Calendar, and you can actually link your Google Calendar like I have over here. And when you are in a meeting, the status will be changed to in a meeting, and the duration will be whatever the duration is of your meeting. Go ahead, if you want to type in whatever status you want manually, you can go ahead and type that in and go ahead, click on save. It'll then be your status.